Good evening, everybody. The UPSC has extended the EPFO application form date. Today, we will discuss about this topic on my platform. So let's get started. Actually, UPSC is a prestigious commission, and it has extended the EPFO application form date. Before this, the application was started from 29th July to 18th August. But there are many loopholes in the EPFO applications forms, like graduation certificates. It is a major issue faced by lots of students. They do not know about the mark sheets and certificates. After that, OBC and EWS students, they were also suffering from the lots of critical conditions. They are facing lots of the certifications and documentations. So UPSC had decided extended date, and in fact this is a big reasons behind this, why UPSC extended date. Actually, the application form was less than applied by the students, because maybe uh, they have no sufficient documents. Secondly, they have no sufficient knowledge or sufficient syllabus of the EPFO, and mostly the UPSC uh, application form application form they had been it has been created a critical, they have been difficult. So many students, they are not knowing well about the EPFO forms. So there is less than application form fill up by the students. Actually, in last UPSC prelims examinations, like 2025 UPSC preliminary examinations, UPSC has filled the prelims, mains and interview entire forms submitted, and almost in EPFO form also the same process following by the UPSC. Why it is following this process, I don't know, but one thing is clear, that actually UPSC has big allegations like Pooja Khetkar case, yeah, or Pooja Khetkar fraud case, and there are 350 UPSC aspirants who are serving the country. They are fraud documents used in UPSC. So UPSC has clever, is careful and very active right now. So UPSC, don't any mistakes, don't any illusions during recruitment process, and those students are loopholes in the UPSC prestigious commissions. They UPSC has clarified that we will not accept your loopholes, we will not accept your fraud cases into the UPSC. UPSC. Well, in last video we have to discuss about the UPSC syllabus and the post and timing, and when it will be exams conducted. I hope so in November. Examination will be conducted by the UPSC. After that, direct interview process, and after written examinations and interview, this process will be completed, and after that UPSC maybe join the AO, EO and APFC post who qualified the student this exam, this prestigious exam process. Well, so UPSC has once again extended the EPFO application form date. So I request to all the students of the EPFO to fill up the form quickly. They have You have to golden opportunity, you have to master opportunity to accept and to accept, and wherever any documents, nothing you have to do. So please go and gather your documentations, like mark sheets, graduations and graduation certificates or degree. So, and I hope so you better you do better in these examinations. I hope so you will be selected, and you will be also the expectations and dreams, your dreams completed, like your parents, like personally you and your relatives, whatever want to anything of this opportunity this gather. So maybe it is possible to you, and well, I hope you will better in these examinations. Actually, that there are two things I have discussed. Yeah, we will discuss on my platforms. First, during examinations, be confident. During examinations, be confident. Second thing, don't lose your hope. Actually, I have many students checked. I have seen many students during when the 1 month or 15 days remaining of the examinations, they are struggling. They are going to struggling about the exam preparations, and they lose our confidence. Secondly, they have no uh, patience. They have lose patience. So during examinations, during preparation, during journey your preparations of the EPFO, so please be confidential and be patientfully. The students, the EPFO aspirants who qualified the examinations, who those students who will be confident, who will be patient, and with this hardworking and dedications. So today today I have discussed to a lots of varieties of the UPSC, and we have also discussed about the different type of angle of the UPSC. So I hope so you understand my opinion and my suggestions, and any suggestion you want to about the EPFO, please comment box is my empty, so you may comment through, and any knowledge you have to gather, you have to know about the any information, so please comment box you may comment, and we will respond. We will also see my comment box and we will respond to you. So thank you and so much, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, because I am new in this platform, so subscribe. I want to cooperate with you, I want to help with you, so please cooperate and be help in my YouTube platforms. So please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you so much.